Alright, you are most welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is KKTV Uganda. Just in, police issue statement as to explosive explode in Kampala, the capital city of Uganda. Uganda police, through the Kampala Metropolitan deputy spokesperson Luke Owoyesigire, has issued a statement on explosives believed to be bombs which went off last night in two separate incidents in Kabalagala and Nabweru. Fortunately, these explosives left no one dead, but one person was injured. In Mayor Zone Kabalagala Parish, Makindye Division, at about 9 p.m. yesterday, a business premise specializing in frying chips experienced an incident that led to a blast. Fortunately, no fatalities were reported. Nakasagga Joy, the owner of the business, aged 23, sustained minor injuries but is currently in stable condition. Our expert teams are actively investigating the cause of the blast, and updates on the findings will be communicated as soon as possible. Simultaneously, in Nabweru, our bomb squad and forensic services responded to a blast heard around 9 p.m. The blast occurred in one of the unoccupied rentals. Thankfully, no injuries or fatalities were reported. Our team is diligently working to determine the cause of the blast, and further information regarding the next steps will be provided once investigations are complete. While these incidents are under investigation, we urge the general public to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities in their communities. Your cooperation is crucial in maintaining the safety and security of our neighborhoods. For further updates, please stay tuned to official police media channels, and we appreciate the community's understandings during this investigative process. That is Uganda Police. Thank you for tuning KKTV Uganda.